This is beautiful spring weather here. It's Tuesday, April 11th, about 10 o'clock at night. Oh, that Alaska life, you know? You gotta love it. This is a spring activity, plowing snow. Yep, I have right now over 2 feet of fresh fallen snow. That's fallen from April 10th through this evening. That is a 85 Chevy. That's a 3/4 ton Suburban and a 7.5 foot Western blade pushing all that snow. That's how much snow I got here right now. And it's not common to see this much snow fall in April. It does happen, but it's not very common. Gotta love that Alaska life, folks.